Hello everyone, welcome to Short Nail Life. So in today's video, as you can see, I have more Madam Glam colors to share with you guys. So if you don't know who or what Madam Glam is, they are a gel company. They also sell regular nail polish. They are a vegan company. They're cruelty free. They have a 21 free formula. They are palm oil free and they are henna free. So if you have like allergies or anything like that, this is a great brand to use. But first color that I'm showing you is called Perfect Blue. Next color up is called Perfect Purple. So Perfect Blue is a more muted blue, and then this Perfect Purple, it is a little bit jelly. This is Perfect Pink, and it is a beautiful opaque color. And then next up is the Parisian Sea. This is a gorgeous lavender color. So if you want to check out any of these products, I will have a link down in the description box down below that will take you directly to Madam Glam website. What I really don't talk about is they do have a VIP membership that I believe it gets you 50% off if you sign up for it, and it is a monthly fee, or you can pause it. I'm not too sure about it. I don't have it. But if you don't want to sign up to be a VIP member, just hit pay as you go and introduce this code at checkout, and this could save you an extra 35% off your order. As you can see, I have already begun. I put Parisian Sea on the middle nail. Oh, sorry, that is the middle nail. I'm sorry, I'm trying to see it on a small screen. So I put Parisian Sea on the middle nail, and then on the pointer I put Parisian Sea only on half. Then I took Perfect White and I put that on the ring nail, and then on the pinky I used Autumn R. I cannot say it, but it is a beautiful color. I really recommend it. And then on top of that, after it's cured, I did put XOXO. I tell you guys all the time, I just like the combination. I think it's really pretty, especially when you mat out the nail. It pops to me. So on that pointer finger, I did go in and I put Perfect White on half of that nail. And then on the pinky, I'm just creating this squiggle line. I don't know why this shape. I don't know. I thought it was a good idea to do, so I went with it, and I actually really like it. I don't really do squiggle shapes when I do Frenches on my own self, so it was something fun to do. So now I'm removing the tacky layer on these nails because I want to use some foil glue, and sometimes that inhibition layer, it messes with the foil glue, so that's why I am removing it. So this is me right now putting on the foil gel, and then I am going to cure it. I did cure it, I believe, for like 45 seconds, and I did let it cool down. And spoiler, it did not work. I have used this foil glue so many times. I used the Beatles foil glue. It has worked. And then I didn't show this on camera, but it kept not working. So I did switch over to my Mercart foil glue to see if that worked. It did not work. So I just kept messing with it. I kept filing the nails and going over it with foil gel until I finally got something decent, which is why I kind of blinged the nails up at the end, because I didn't want you guys to see the little missing spots. But that's also the reason why there's white behind it, is because it's going to hide those missing spots. So in all honesty, right here, I just got a little frustrated. So I was like, let me move on to this nail, because it was just going to be a simple glitter press nail, or this is not called glitter press. I cannot think of the word, what it's called. You guys kind of know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I moved on to this nail. Like I said, I had to play with the foil gel off camera. And what really happened is my nail lamp, even though I only had it for a year, it's already messing up. And this is not the first time that it happened. So I kind of knew from the beginning it wasn't the foil gel. It really was just my lamp, and I really need to replace it. And I've been talking about replacing it for months. I don't know. Prime Day is coming up soon, and hopefully I can replace the nail lamp soon. But that's the reason why these are coming out like this. But as you can see, they're decent. They're not perfect, but they're decent enough for me to finish this set. So that's what I did. I went ahead and I top coated all of the nails, and then to hide all of the mess ups, I did go ahead and I blinged up the nails. So I do show you most of the bling process on screen, and I kind of left in my kind of hesitations on screen because usually I would cut them out, but I kind of feel like you can see me like, okay, what should go next? What should go here? So when you kind of dump out all of those sizes, it is so hard to match up the sizes together to make them perfect sizes on each side, if you guys know what I mean. So some of them I did notice that they were not the correct size. I think I fixed some of them off camera, but some of them I didn't catch it. Basically, I didn't catch it. So yeah, that's kind of where how that happened. So on this nail, I don't know, does everybody have a signature bling placement? Because that's what this is. I did not intentionally go in doing this bling placement, but it still came out. I do this so many times. You guys are probably tired of me doing this bling placement at this point. I don't know why I just automatically go to this one. There's so many I could try, but this is like my go-to. It's super simple and easy, and it looks really pretty when you have different sizes. And something else, I did go ahead and add caviar beads off camera because you guys know it is so hard dealing with caviar beads. And this is kind of where the part I told you guys I kind of left in my hesitations and stuff. If you're curious about the color of the rhinestones, I believe they're called purple pink on some sellers on AliExpress. I think that's the name. I've heard it called different colors, but purple pink is the thing that pops up in my mind. Again, I added caviar beads off camera, and this is how they turned out. I love them. Purple is my favorite color, so I love this set. Let me know what you guys think. Do you love it? Do you hate it? So thank you guys for joining me. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. I make new videos twice a week. I want you guys to have an amazing day. Bye.